What is a mirror? Mirror is a polished object made of glass which is painted on one side and polished on other. It is used to reflect the light completely such that we can see virtual image of the objects, in case of plain mirrors. The paint is applied on one side so that it does not allow the light to completely pass through the glass. The light will reflect back with the same angle at which it was incident. Let us discuss more about mirrors in later sections of this article. Types of mirrors. A conventional mirror is one that is in rectangular shape. We all use that mirror for looking at our reflections. In reality, there are two more types of mirrors that are used in physics. They are convex mirrors and concave mirrors. Let us read more about these mirrors in the section below. Plane mirror/rectangular mirror. A plane mirror is a flat mirror which are usually used in our homes and malls to see our own reflections. The light falls at 0 degrees with the normal, and hence the reflected ray also makes 0 degrees with the normal. This way we can see our reflection in the plane mirrors. Concave mirror. Concave mirrors, as the name suggests, makes a cave-like mirror surface. They can make both virtual and real image depending on the distance of the object from the focus. A spoon's inner surface is an example of concave mirror. Convex mirror. Convex mirror is a mirror bulged outwards. This mirror is usually used in rear-view mirrors and on the crossings of road. The outside of spoon is an example of convex mirror. What is mirror reflection of light? When light falls on an object, the light may be absorbed, reflected, or transmitted through the object. These three things may also take place partially, that is, light may get partly absorbed, partly reflected, and partly transmitted. When this light reflected completely after falling on the object, it is called as specular or mirror reflection of light. The image of the object can be seen with no loss of resolution as the light gets reflected completely. How does mirror reflection work? We are aware now that mirror is made up of glass which is painted with gray or black color on one side and polished on other side. When the light falls on mirror, the light travels through the glass but does not get through the gray paint. This trapped light is reflected back at the same angle at which it was incident. The image of the object is then observed with no loss of resolution as the light gets reflected completely. Mirror reflection examples. We all know about mirrors and their uses. Let us discuss some of the examples where we can see mirror reflections. The examples are given below. Wardrobe mirrors. Wardrobe mirror is an example of plane mirror. We can see our reflections of the same size as that of ours. Mirrors at changing rooms in malls. Mirrors at changing rooms are also an example of plane mirrors. They are also used for observing our own reflections in the mirror. Reflection on water bodies. Reflection on water bodies may be considered as a reflection on plane mirror. We can see the water body appearing as blue in color because of the reflection of blue sky. The color of the sky is reflected to our eyes, hence we observe that the water is blue. Mirrors at barber shops. Mirror at barber shops are examples of plane mirror. At barber shops, the mirrors are arranged in such a way that we can even see the back of our heads in the mirror. Concave mirrors used in labs. In physics lab, we can observe many types of mirrors, out of which one is concave. The mirror creates an inverted image of the object when it is located near to the mirror and an enlarged virtual image when it is located farther from the mirror. Rear view mirrors. Rear view mirrors use convex mirrors. They create slightly enlarged objects. This is why there is a text written on those mirrors. Objects may appear closer than they actually are. Car body. When a car is cleaned and polished properly, we can observe our own reflection on it. Pupil of eye. The images formed on the pupil of eye are very small, but we can observe them. When a person standing in front of us looks closely into our eye, she can observe her reflection in our eyes. Steel spoon. As steel spoon when cleaned acts as a concave mirror and created inverted image when we place an object near to it. Steel bowl. A steel bowl acts as a convex mirror which takes enlarged images of objects kept near to it. Steel plate. A steel plate acts as a plane mirror which makes virtual images of same size as that of objects that are kept near to the plate. Metal objects. Metal objects, when polished properly, reflect away most of the light falling on them. Polished plastic toys. Plastic toys, when cleaned properly, also reflect away most of the light. We can see our reflection on plastic toys once we finish cleaning them. Tinted windows. Tinted windows dawn and allow all the light to enter inside the room during daytime, reflecting away most of the light. This way we can see our reflections in these windows if we are standing outside of the room. Ceramic mugs. Ceramic mugs, when polished, act as convex mirror and hence we can see our own reflections in it. Ceramic plates. Ceramic plates, when polished, act as plane mirrors, hence we can see our image of exact same size as that of ours. Optic fibers. Optic fibers use the principle of total internal reflection. The fibers are sized in such a way that the light will keep reflecting itself and travel from one place to another without losing much of its intensity. Many internet providers use this technology to provide high-speed internet. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.